A friend of mine sent me a blade that he had tried to regrind himself using some files and I don't know, maybe a chainsaw. Anyway, as you can see, it's not a great job, so we're going to try to clean it up for him. As you can see, in addition to mangling the edge as he tries to regrind it, he also scratched quite a bit up the side of the blade. So here we are using 400 grit?
240.
240 grit sandpaper to clean out some of the scratches using a nice hard block.
Hockey puck.
Made out of an old hockey puck to give us a nice finish.
Hockey pucks are not expensive. If you got a local team, you can usually get some used ones that they're throwing away for next to nothing. I think they're only about $8 or $10 brand new. But they are incredibly hard. They make a fantastic flat surface. And in this case, this one is ground to match the radius of my hollow grinding wheel, so I can get inside my hollow grinds and do some flat satin finish and touch-up work, should I so desire.
See if I can get some of these scratches by holding the light with my hand. So we're working them out. There's still quite a bit over here, as you can see. But as we sand, they begin to go away. There we go. So you can see we have removed all of the scratches and put in a nice satin finish, kind of matching what it has up in the rest of the blade. Due to the mangling of the edge, we have to re-establish that on the grinder. Dad's using the slack part of the belt, using a 220 2x72 belt, and he's re-establishing the cutting edge, which we will then sharpen using some stones. Some people use jigs to maintain the correct orientation, but Dad's been doing this for 40 years and does it all by hand. The final part of sharpening is using stones. There are 3 stones. They get progressively finer. Dad uses this technique. There are lots of different techniques. As long as it works, it works. So I've fixed the finish. The question is, does it cut? Yes, it cuts. Hello, kitty.